Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show how you can do so that the Google Assistant can be called while the screen is locked. So in prior of following our actions, we highly recommend that you update the Android version that you have as your system to its latest possible instance. So let's go ahead and start. First of all, I'll show that I'm able to enable the Google Assistant from the unlocked display, but once my phone is locked, it does not allow me to, as you can see. In order to fix that, you gotta open up the Google Assistant, go to its settings. Here on the top right corner of your screen, press on the profile avatar and look for the lock screen setting. Here, enable it. And as you will see, once I'll try to access the Google Assistant from a lock screen, it will let me to. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.